Now you all are well versed with the condition of BOOP. We all know that what are the peculiar clinical features that you'd be looking at and what are the investigations that you'd be carrying out for such patients. Now that you have confirmed the diagnosis as BOOP, how can you manage such patients? If you remember, I have told you that about more than 35 drugs can lead to this condition, which is termed as BOOP. So firstly, if a causative drug can be identified, this should be discontinued for such patients. In some patients, the symptoms of BOOP may resolve without treatment, especially the post-breast radiation type. In some mild cases, such as individuals without symptoms or who have no progressive disease, the process can be monitored and treated later if necessary. Most individuals with BOOP require treatment with the anti-inflammatory corticosteroid medication, specifically oral, usually in the form of prednisolone. Oral corticosteroids as prednisolone 30 to 40 milligrams daily will achieve a rapid improvement in symptoms over days in most patients. While radiological changes resolve over months and the steroid course should be reduced over an extended period, like several months, as relapse is common. Relapse is also likely to respond well to further steroid courses. For individuals who do not respond to steroidal therapy, other agents have been used, including cyclophosphamide, erythromycin in the form of azithromycin, and mycophenolate mofetil. These agents have been beneficial to the individuals with BOOP on a case-by-case basis reported in the medical literature. However, research is needed to determine the long-term safety and effectiveness of these potential treatment options for individuals with BOOP. In rare cases, lung transplantation may be necessary for individuals with BOOP who do not respond to standard treatment options. So I hope now you're well versed with this condition of BOOP. You know what are the particular signs and symptoms that you'd be looking for in these patients and how are you going to carry on the investigations and further on manage these particular patients. Stay tuned to sqadia.com for further detailed lectures on certain other conditions as well.